Westermans here again with another AMI 227 with a 9E-2500 weld head, 2500 fusion weld head connected to the 227. Quick function test. I'll do a weld test first. Various orbital welders in stock from different manufacturers like AMI, Polysude, Swagelock, Axair, Orbital and many others. New and used available from stock, certain brands. Also a selection of welding and cutting equipment. Also beveling, CNC plasmas, rotators, positioners, column booms, basically anything to do with welding, cutting and machining. More details can be seen on westermans.com. Now we'll do a weld test. Sequence start. Welder head seems to be functioning. .227 power source connected to, can obviously be used on open heads with wire, and some of the bigger heads like the M15 796625 with oscillation and ABC. Same as the 207, a good solid power source, been around for years and highly respected by welders in the Orbital game. Weld test completed. Have a quick look at the printout.